aging process, the elder age, with decrease in physicality. Most of us do. Most of us think that after 50, 60, I am not able to carry on those muscles which I was carrying 20 years at the age of 20 years, which is more likely true also. It's difficult to build up muscles after a certain age, but there are no exceptions, right? There are no exceptions when it comes to our muscle building. So, well, just a second. Also, are you able to see this picture? The lady. Okay, wait. I'm just showing pictures till the time other people are joining.
Right.
Yeah. So she's a German athlete, 80 years age, got a gold medal, 100-meter dash. So also many people will give up the thought that I can run a 100-meter sprint, 200-meter sprint, or run more professionally, or maybe in their society, or maybe with their friends and all after certain age. So, but there are exceptions that many people are doing it after a certain age as well. So, what is the difference between these people and the others? Right. So, this is the question that we need to ask ourselves today. That I showed a picture earlier. A gentleman over 60 years age had 6-8 packs, good muscles, and this is a 80-year-old athlete who's running and winning gold medals. So what is the difference? How do you see? And this would be interaction. So you'll be starting the session. So I just started with a question to all of you. So how do you think? So if you go back to the history of these people, they also have certain chronic disease. They are also suffering from certain issues, but that didn't let them, to do what they wanted to do. So what seems to be the difference? So I'll start with Avinash ji.
सिद्धार्थ भाई, आपने जो दोनों तस्वीरें दिखाई, it is a discipline which these people have carried on for a long time. Now that six pack looked very attractive.
Exactly.
But my gym trainer told me that, Mr. Avinash, at your age, you cannot go get those muscles. But what you should exercise is to build up muscles. You should not become a skeleton. So if you start starving and not eating properly, तो आपका ढांचा रह जाएगा और मसल नहीं रहेगा.
Exactly.
And but at this stage, it looks very attractive. I absolutely agree with you. And whenever I've traveled to the US and I've walked, all the other ladies were 89 and 90 and they were walking much faster. तो उनका बड़ा disciplined life हुआ है.
Yes.
And आपने जो exercises सुबह दिखा देते हैं are free hand, and what we feel is good enough, so I can at least not accelerate my aging. I can contain it and enjoy my life. And you must have willpower of not eating the wrong thing. So resistance to temptation is far more important.
Right.
At the end of the day, Siddharth Babu, I basically feel that I can impress a lady more with my tongue than with my six-pack.
Yes.
I would
as long as you have interest in wooing the ladies.
That's right.
Right.
I mean,
So, yeah.
if I should ensure that my waistline is 32, which is quite envious to my classmates. But according to Suresh Puri ji, my wife entirely agrees with him कि तुम 100 साल जीना चाहते हो या 110, क्या अचीव करोगे? तो हरिद्वार चले जाओ. Enjoy yourself, have a drink, but control yourself.
Yes.
And आपके ये प्लेटफॉर्म पे we feel very good with the exercises which you make us. आप सिखाते ही नहीं हैं, कराते भी.
Thanks. So rightly said, it's more of awareness and willpower. What I wanted to break the convention is that certain people who has it, and most of our Indian society, it's very prevalent in Indian society, especially in women, that after they hit 55 or they retire at the age of 58 or 60, they automatically get in that mode that now they are not able to do their daily chores as well. And I have seen in my little town where I have grown up in Jammu, that ladies after 60 they don't even get up from their bed. And this there is a sickness in their mind. I'll say it's a psychological sickness, it's not a physical sickness, which makes them not to do certain activities which they were doing very actively 10 years back and all, just because they think that they had retired. And government has put a label, since government has put a label on them that they are now not young enough to work, so automatically they have aged. They'll not be able to do certain activities, and there and then they shut down their rest of life. They'll not have any 5 term next 5 year goal, next 10 years goal, next 2 years goal, next 1 year goal. So they completely go into that retirement mode. And that is the stage, if not diagnosed with previous illnesses, you are prone to get more illnesses in next 5 years. So I would say, in my experience in general clinic practice and otherwise in life, the retirement, which is meant to be, give us a break from our routine activity and let us pursue the other goals in life, is actually becoming a trigger point in the starting of many chronic diseases, and which is very very sad. And this is the case in many elders, especially in women. So, if I just ask next question to Mrs. Swarna ji, she is there with us. Can you hear, ma'am? Can you hear me, Swarna ji? So I think I'm not having good internet connection with her.
I need.
So Nirmala ji is there. Can you hear me? Okay. So let me ask. I can't see any other female. Kirti Chaudhary. No, sorry. Karuna ji. Karuna ma'am, you there? I'm sorry. I'm calling name.
Mrs. Chaudhary is here.
Yeah, Mrs. Chaudhary. Sorry, ma'am. I'm calling name.
No, not at all.
So I just wanted to make it a discussion-based thing. So I just
You
wanted,
can ask me. No problem.
yeah, just wanted to pick up your personal opinion on this. That once we have retired, uh, I don't know if you've been a working lady or not.
I used to work a little bit, but
Yes.
afterwards I left it. But
Yeah. So
what I think, age is what you think of yourself.
Right.
Even at 75, if my grandchild comes and tells me ki nani ye khelo, I'm there. Okay, chalo.
Wonderful. Have you set yourself some goals 5 years back? That after 5 years I want to do this. After 5 years I want to achieve this thing.
Not that way ki okay, I should be healthy, I should be socializing and doing my own work. That is it.
Yeah. So the
I
wonderful
shouldn't
goals.
be dependent on others.
Yeah, wonderful goals. The health is takes the priority. In fact, it's a subconscious thing. The health takes the priority, and it's a good priority to have. That after 5 years I want to move like today. After 5 years my blood pressure should be like this. After 5 years if I'm diabetic, my diabetes should be within this goal. So these are good goals to have. Wonderful. And many other people will have different goals, but I don't know what is it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, Mrs. Chaudhary. I don't know what it is that maybe it's the sense of achievement that we have done throughout the life, that we doesn't aspire to start in a different field or to start something new after certain age. So I wanted to know from you guys that at my age I am very career driven, and I'm sure when you were at my age, you were so same. But will that happen to me as well when I'll hit 60? Will I stop worrying about my career growth, or will I start worrying about learning something new, as in career wise, as in finance wise? So is that going to happen to me as well, or is it something after that, after certain age, I'm content that I have achieved this much and I don't need to pursue anything? So this is my question to Surinder ji. I don't know if that question makes sense or not, but I'm just asking.
Life, I will not be able to judge about you, but something similar. I mean, I also graduated from IIT Kharagpur, and from there on, being a mining engineer, it was a very tough life. And mining, of course, was not my choice, but this is what I got during the interview, that you can be given mining engineer or some other engineering. My choice was mechanical or electrical, but I was given mining. But then when I came out of IIT Kharagpur, in mining engineering, there was a 2 years gap between getting a job and getting the degree. The 2 years was that we had to pass certain examination that was by DGMS, Director General of Mine Safety. We have to pass through 2 examinations before we could get a proper career in mining, particularly in coal mining, etc. So that was my objective immediately after the from IIT Kharagpur. So I was busy in that. Once I got those 2 qualifications, I qualified, and naturally I was busy in my career throughout. And I always looked forward how to get the next higher status, and how to do things which probably other things are not possible. I can tell you I have worked with some experts, because I worked in very mechanized mines, and where I got the challenges, I was working with Polish experts, English experts, and Russian experts. I saw to it, normally in the beginning, I saw that some Polish experts particularly, they used to boss over Indians, because they were here as specialists to guide us, to guide Indians. And my challenge was not to allow them to boss over. That was, I mean, how I moved, I'm just telling you. So I did it successfully in a way that 2-3 persons were sent away to their country, sent back to their country, because whatever the reports they submitted, I challenged them and proved that my report is correct. And some reports, you know, these specialists, those who come, used to come to India, I don't know what is happening now. But at that time, they used to send the report through their embassy to government of India and to their own government, what they are doing. And what they used to send reports about us also. So during those reports, once what happened, English people were there in Amlori project of NCL. They sent a report and I challenged that report. Once I challenged the man who initiated that report, I proved it that my report was correct, and that man was asked to leave the country within 24 hours by their own boss, Englishman.
Okay.
So this sort of thing, same with Polish experts, same with the Russian experts. So I accepted my job, although as I've told you initially, I did not like mining engineering, but once I had gone into it, I took it up as a challenge that I will do. And I can tell you that wherever, in whatever mines I have worked, I'm here sitting in Noida, my name is there in those mines. Whether I have left it 20 years ago or 15 years ago or 30 years ago, my name will remain there for some achievement or the other. There was a stamp put in by me so that they remember. For last project, which from where I retired, I built an extension of a hospital that was pending for many years. I got 15 months only in that project, and 30-bed additional wing was made for that hospital. During that 15 months, the project was pending for 5 years or more. I made
Right,
it within
right.
15 years. I inaugurated it also.
Right.
Similarly, there one community center that was pending. It was the demand. I constructed that community center. Of course, I could not complete it, but they were so good enough to call me after 1 year when it was completed to inaugurate the same, because they were so happy that I had initiated and completed almost all the requirements for getting it completed. So this is
Wonderful.
my history.
Wonderful.
So I think the way you are moving, you are no less than me. I can only say, if I have lived till today up to 78 years, going to be 79, you will live much more, much longer, because you will have better facilities, more advanced science, more advanced medicines and medical opportunities. You will definitely cross 100 years.
Thank you so much for your blessing, sir. And wonderful, wonderful professional history that you have, and very well explained. That makes me curious about my next question, which is to Mr. Colonel Puri. That do we retire willfully, or government or society force us to retire? So with government jobs, there is a age limit that is set, that post this you have to retire. That is there. So by the time we reach that age, are we mentally at that level that yes, now my time has come, I should retire? Or is there still feeling of sadness, or maybe feeling bad, or maybe feeling something that I still could have more in me, and I still could have given more in this field or in this profession, and I am not ready to retire, because this is just a number. The age is just a number, as we say, and I have more to give. So does that feeling comes often, or do you feel, have you felt it post your retirement?
Dr. Sab, I shall limit my talk pertaining to the defense.
Yeah.
Since I've been commissioned in the army, and as per the government orders, they said that one must retire at the age of 52 years. And when 52 years came in, and naturally the government order came for my superannuation, and I was not feeling physically, mentally that at this young age, I should retire from the service. But then you cannot fight against the system. The system makes you retire, and you had to retire. Thereafter, you look for other livelihood, because you cannot sit at home and waste your time. So you probably try to run for the jobs there. There are many options, people get the jobs. So in my case, I have been able to get good jobs after my army service. After retired at 52 years, I worked with the DRDO as a civilian person there, not as an army person. And after retired from their superannuation 6 years, still I was not very happy. I'm still able to work. So I applied for a job elsewhere in one of the in the Delhi secretariat, and I got a job there. तो वहाँ पे उन्होंने कहा कि हम 2 साल के लिए आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे दे सकते हैं. तो I said okay, आप 2 साल तो गवर्नमेंट की जॉब है, तो I quite happy. So I continued with that particular job for 2 years. So 62 also I completed. They said that your contract is over, you had to go back home. So I was still not very happy. I said, "ये तो बड़ी जल्दी हो जाएगा. I will not like to sit at home and be a burden to my family or to everybody there." So again, started looking for a job somewhere, because aim was not the money.
Yeah.
Aim was that I wanted to keep myself active and busy in various jobs.
Exactly.
So I got into one of the schools. तो schools में उन्होंने मेरे को एक administrator का job दे दिया. And I continued to work there till about 70 years.
Oh, nice.
I was very happy. तो उन्होंने भी कहा, अभी 70 साल हो गए हैं, आप और काम करना चाहेंगे, पर आपको हम दिल्ली में नहीं रखेंगे, आपको हम जयपुर में भेजेंगे. I said, no problem. So I went to Jaipur.
Oh,
After
nice.
completing my 70, I went to Jaipur. So Jaipur में they asked me that I should raise a school.
Hmm.
एक बाल भारती पब्लिक स्कूल के नाम पे they told me to raise another school in Jaipur.
Hmm.
So I started working on that.
Hmm.
उसके बाद फिर घर में कोई थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम्स हमारी चल पड़ी. घर की प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मेरा आई लॉस्ट माई सन इन लॉ और उसके बाद मेरी वाइफ की डेथ हो गई. तो दीज आर द सिचुएशन नो व्हिच प्रिवेंटेड मी that I should not do much work now outside and I should attend to my daughter and to my home affairs. So I decided to come home and stay back at home and work with my family. और उनकी जो भी needs हैं I should be able to complete by keeping myself actively engaged in that. तो कहने का मतलब कि गवर्नमेंट तो आपको रिटायर कर देती है, बट योर डोंट फील दैट यू रिटायर.
Exactly.
You still feel very young in your heart and you still want to enjoy life there. और हम पहले भी करते थे, आज भी कर रहे हैं. पहले भी ड्रिंक करता था, अभी भी ड्रिंक करता हूँ. पहले भी खाते थे, अभी भी खा रहा हूँ. अभी भी एक्सरसाइज कर रहा हूँ. आई एम मतलब जो मेरा अपने वर्किंग शेड्यूल है, आई हैव नॉट चेंज व्हाट द आर्मी हैज टॉट मी टू बी अ डिसिप्लिन्ड पर्सन देयर. तो आई एम एंजॉयिंग इट लाइफ. सोशली भी कर लेते हैं और बाकी अगर कोई गलत तरीके से करना वो भी कर लेते हैं.
Wonderful.
So we have learned both ways how to adjust and how to
Exactly.
run the
Wonderful.
things.
Very well explained, Colonel Puri. Thank you so much. Very well explained. So you must notice that I have not till now I have not touch point on any medical issue, because every day most of the issues that we feel that we face after certain age, we have somewhere previous sessions we have touched upon the medical issue. I'll definitely touch upon again today, but this aspect of healthy aging is not related to the medical issues that you face after certain age, but it's exactly what everyone discuss. So age, when I say buzurg ya brid ya elder, the picture that somebody has is somebody who is not independent, who is dependent, disabled, have multiple issues, needs somebody to take care of a person. So this is the picture that is carved in our brain when we talk about an elderly. But interestingly, a elder who himself has crossed 70 does not have that picture in their mind. So elders, when I talk with elders, they don't have that picture कि हाँ जैसा आप लोग सोचते हो elderly में ये सब हो जाएगा. I am not at that stage right now. I am doing very well. You might think I'm 70, like Colonel Puri said, but I do all good and bad things that I used to do earlier also. So I don't think that way, but society thinks it that way, which actually puts a psychological pressure, psychological burden on the family members who are younger family member, younger and make them take certain decisions that will adversely affect the elders. Yeah, we'll discuss what are those decisions. So that is why I started this session with social, thoughts, social opinions, general life opinion, psychological opinion. So now, if I have to get into the medical side of it, or the more definition based terminology, so I have picked these definitions and this material from WHO website. So what is, as per WHO, what is healthy aging as per WHO? So World Health Organization defines healthy aging as a process. It's an ongoing process. There is no certain cut marker definition, age criteria, age cutoff that after this year, or let's say after 55 or after 58, after 60, you are elderly. There is no such criteria. That's why I showed the picture earlier. There was a woman who is at 80, who's in her 80s and still running sprints. So I cannot compete with her at my age. So how can I tell her that you are elderly and you're dependent? No, that's not true. So there's no such definition. It's an ongoing process. So it is the process of developing and maintaining the functional ability that enables well-being in older age. So yes, there is a number. Everyone counts their number. So as the number grows, we term it as. So if for a moment, if we just cover that number, if we don't look at that side of our life, so as long as I'm functionally able, as long as I'm able to do a basic required activity for every human being, so that functional ability is about having the capabilities that enable all people to be and do what they have reason to value. And this is a very very important line. Do we lose our reasons to a reason that we value earlier, or do we lose our ambitions? Do we lose our ability to look ahead in life, to gain more in life, to attain more in life, to learn more in life after a certain age? Because once I do that, then I'm hitting to my end stage of life. So then I'll say, sir, you have retired yourself. So as long as I'm making functional ability, what are those person's ability? Meet their basic needs. मतलब मैं सुबह उठूं, मैं अपने आप इंडिपेंडेंटली वॉशरूम जाऊं, या डिपेंड किसी पे हेल्प लेके जाऊं, एज लॉन्ग एज आई नो हाउ टू सीक दैट हेल्प. So I can take help very well. There are people who lose their limbs, let's say, get disabled at 30-year-old. I can't say that you are now elderly because you are dependent on somebody, right? But that person is able to still do his basic need with the help of somebody, and he knows how to seek that help. So meet their basic need. It does not mean that you have to independently go to washroom, take shower, put on clothes, put on your tie. You can still take help, but you should have the insight that yes, what all is happening to me, that every morning I need to take a shower. This is the insight, right? If I forget that I need to take a shower and I don't take shower for weeks and months, that means I don't have any insight left in me. So as long as I have insight left in me, I can meet my basic needs independently and also with the help of somebody else. That makes me perfectly okay. The second line is very important: to learn, grow, and make decisions. This is where mostly Indian society elderly suffer. They
No
stop.
sound.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
हाँ अभी ठीक
Okay. Okay, sorry. So they stop to get into new learning stuff. So everyone, suppose there's a thing in everyone's mind कि मेरे दादा हैं, दादी हैं, नाना है, नानी, they're supposed to know everything. They have life's experience. They already know most of the stuff. They themselves don't take any initiative to learn new things. So I automatically think that अब इनको कोई जरूरत नहीं. I will not help them in getting into that, because until and unless you tell me to do some stuff for me, then only I'll think. ऐसे society हो गए, बच्चे अपने आप से proactively initiative नहीं लेते. So have we stopped that learning phase? Have we stopped to learn new skills? Because obviously we don't know all the skills, right? I'm not skilled in everything, but I would want to learn more skills. And as long as I'm working, I have very limited time to learn new skills. But once I'm retired from my professional life, I have ample time. But still, why do we not make efforts to learn more things? The day I have stopped learning new things, that means I'm not aging healthy. So there should be a tagline that what is my next aim in life. That वो हम बच्चों को 5वीं कक्षा में पूछना शुरू कर देते हैं, आपका एम इन लाइफ क्या है, एम इन लाइफ क्या है. And then once they attain a certain professional qualification, we stopped asking them. After retirement, the basic चीजें आपने जो जिंदगी में करनी थी कर ली, अब आपका एम इन लाइफ क्या है? Have you ever asked that question to yourself, or have somebody else asked that question to you? So that question is very very important, very very relevant if you want to live healthy. So living healthy does not mean that you take care of your diabetes, BP, and heart issues. Living healthy also means that other aspects of life, am I taking care of those or not? So I don't know how many of you are into learning new things. I'm sure, I hope everyone is. But what is the one thing that we can say proudly that this is what I learned last year? It may be I become a finance guru in the last year. I had a basic knowledge, but now I'm the expert. I may learn from beginner to a moderate. I'm now a painter. I can paint. I've read 10 books. This was my target for this year. I've read 10 books. I wanted to be a chef. Always wanted to be a chef. Never got a time. Now I'm free. I cook for everyone once in while, once in blue moon. So has learning stopped? And also this session is for me to learn from you guys also, to prepare for my future, that how to go about it. So please tell me. And this question I'll be asking. It's not a question. It's a discussion. So Tejji, so there I'll be talking to you. Yeah, sir. Hi.
Hi, sir. Please repeat the question.
Yeah. So what is this year's target? ये साल में क्या करना है, नया क्या सीखना है हमने?
Just looking forward to overcome the corona.
Yeah. That we all are, and
Because
I hope I could.
Because of this, I'm really feeling brain drained.
And once it is over, what is your plan?
Just I want to lead a rosy life, which
Yeah.
at present is like a hell.
Yeah, that could be a challenge to somebody, that to overcome this feeling of being locked down in a house for so long, that it in some people it might take time to get over it.
Because throughout the life, I've been only slogging, and now the time was to enjoy the life. Got stuck up with the domestic problem or corona now.
Wonderful. That means you have planned to now enjoy the life. I
Yes,
hope
sir.
you put them in place now once the lockdown is over.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Right. So Avinash ji.
जी सर, मैं कुछ चीजें करेक्ट करना चाहता हूं आप जो बोल रहे थे.
जी प्लीज.
सर, रिटायरमेंट के मतलब आई एम अगेन टायर्ड. आई एम टायर्ड एंड retired means I'm again tired. There is nothing known as retired. What is happening is I've left a 9 to 5 job and I've taken something else.
Yes.
And apart what you said, physical conditions are perfect, but mentally you have to be agile. You must try and learn new things. I'll give you a example. हमारे ज़माने में हम सुरेंद्र खन्ना जी की बात सुन के बड़े खुश हुए कि वो हमारे एज ग्रुप के, वो IIT खड़गपुर के हैं, उनने सब चीज़ें बताई. इनफैक्ट his name is well known to me also. मैं लार्सन ट्यूब्रो में काम किया है, but I've heard about Mr. सुरेंद्र कुमार खन्ना because कोल इंडिया और DGMS वगैरह से मैं बड़ा familiar हूँ. But मैं दूसरी चीज़ बोल रहा था कि satisfied people don't make progress. You must be paranoid. You must feel that there are more challenges to accept and what you can perform. I have worked till the age of 75. I was a country manager for an Australian mining company, trying to help them in Coal India. So and more important, जब आपने start किया था about a lady. Sir, my wife is 68. She also goes to the gym. She's absolutely fit. वो 6-7 floors चढ़ जाती है. Building तो अभी बने नहीं, lift बना ही नहीं. So she's very active. And you have to keep yourself fit for other people to get attracted to you. So you have to take care of your health. But आपने जो सबसे बड़ी चीज बताई कि there are so many things in life to do. Great things. So sir, learning to download the app, Zoom app, मैंने कभी सुना ही नहीं था. वो जो आपने क्या बड़ा स्ट्रगल किया, गूगल में गया कि भैया प्लीज हेल्प मी एंड ऑल. And once you achieve that, that's great. My father till 95 had 2 drinks, was absolutely agile. He died because of old age. My mother 93 was a member of parliament, Urdu poet, perfectly okay, absolutely healthy, passed away at 93. But sir, मेरे बड़े भाई जो हैं, he has lost interest because उनको arthritis हो गई. तो मैंने अपनी भाभी से कहा, let him try and learn the computer. when he's talking to people. और सिद्धार्थ बाबू एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है, as we grow older, I don't know anything. हमारा experience is obsolete. आप जो बता रहे हैं is the latest. So I must be willing to listen to a younger. And that's how you imbibe. If I start telling you that I know the best, first thing is, sir, हमें जानते नहीं, हम तो आप ही से सीखे. But सुरेंद्र खन्ना जी की बात सुन के मैं बड़ा excited हुआ और मैं उनसे I'll talk to him.
डॉक्टर साहब मेरा एक ओपिनियन है.
Yes, sir.
और मैं ये कहता हूँ कि इंसान लर्न जरूर करे, पर लर्निंग शुड बी ओनली टू कीप अवेयर ऑफ द वर्ल्डली अफेयर्स एंड नॉट टू कम्पीट. जहाँ पे हम कम्पीट की बात कर देते हैं ना, तो देन प्रॉब्ली योर एजिंग विल गो डाउन. आप कम्पीट की बात ही मत करो. यू ओनली लर्न एंड बी अवेयर एज टू व्हाट्स ऑल हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड हियर. और कंपटीशन में बच जाओ, आप अपना काम अपने आप करते रहो. जब हम ये सोचते रहते हैं कि मैंने उसको compete करना है, मैंने ये करना है, वो करना है, that is the time you are buying stress for nothing, and then you are trying to invite more problems to yourself.
Exactly. One must compete to himself only, with himself only.
हाँ.
We should all.
क्योंकि सुरिंदर खन्ना जी थोड़ा ज्यादा compete करने की कोशिश करते हैं. मैं कभी-कभी उनके व्यूज से थोड़ा सा एग्री नहीं करता हूँ, क्योंकि I don't want the thing should be competed. You work hard, you do your best, and don't expect for the results to come or not to come there. आपको इतना भी मिलता रहेगा. आपको
I will give opportunity to Surinder ji to reply to your comment.
मैं सुरिंदर जी की तरफ से बोल सकता हूँ सर. मैं तो बोल सकता हूँ. IIT खड़गपुर में एडमिशन होना is a big achievement. You must be the top student.
Yes.
And choosing a discipline, whether it's mining or mechanical, after a few years of engineering, you become an expert on all fields because he has to take care. And so the difference between foreigners and us is they are more disciplined than us.
अविनाशी एक चीज ध्यान में रखना, एजिंग का सब्जेक्ट है अभी. We are to limit into the aging only. अभी हमने अपनी एज की लॉन्गेविटी करनी है.
नहीं सर, एज
we don't want to get into competitions. We don't want to get into those.
Competition with yourself, not with an outsider.
हाँ, मैं वो कहता हूँ एजिंग, आप तो एजिंग वाला बताते रहो ताकि हम एजिंग में थोड़ा अच्छा improve करें.
Yeah. So I'll take back the discussion. I will
Right.
save this for the post session comments. So continuing with the discussion, which is very getting into.
बोलूं 1 मिनट के लिए.
Yes, Surinder ji, please. Yes, please.
मुझे सिर्फ ये कहना है कि whatever is the age, keep on accepting the challenges which are there before you.
Exactly.
And try to achieve whatever is possible. And possible means you should work a bit more than to make it possible. Sometimes things look difficult, but not impossible. So difficult things should be made possible. Try to accept the challenges of life.
Yes, that's right.
Irrespective of your age. For example, I am giving you one example. As I have told you, all of you know my age. I am now thinking that once the COVID is over, I am going to renovate my house. Which I bought in 2003. So it is 17 years already. So some renovation is required, and it is a big renovation. I am going to take up that job myself.
Wow, wonderful.
These are the things. I mean, keep on accepting the challenges. Keep on thinking, what should I do now? And find out the job, do it, accept the challenge and do it, complete it. That is my way of life.
Good. The good thing is, Surinder ji, is that after a certain age, after 50, 60, life keeps on throwing us with many challenges. We don't have to make our own challenges. So automatically we are getting many challenges. But what we need to do is, as wonderfully we are tackling those challenges, at the same time we need to come up with some challenges of our own. That wonderfully you said that you now post corona you want to take this project of renovating your own house. That's a wonderful.
मैं आपको एक और एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मैंने रिटायरमेंट से पहले ही सोचना शुरू कर दिया था 3 महीना पहले कि अब मुझे क्या करना है. और वहां पर once you are in a job, at a senior level, you are, I mean, familiar with some sort of some facilities. You are adjusted to those things. I had decided that now I will not remain at that post. And first thing was that my parental house, I decided that I have to renovate that. I took up the job. Not only that, I forgot that I was at a senior level and people were always around me to do my jobs and all those things. I took up the chola and went to the market for buying the vegetables also without thinking of my status. Forget about the status. Do the job. No job is small. So that is the attitude one should have, which will keep one active always. Accept the job. मैं अभी भी झाड़ू लगाता हूँ, आज भी लगा रहा हूँ क्योंकि कोविड के चलते मेट्स नहीं आ रही हैं. मैं
Best
झाड़ू लगाता हूँ
exercise.
and I don't feel ashamed of it.
No, we don't have to feel ashamed, obviously. And it's the best exercise. घर
This
पे
is
बैठे
called the
बैठे भी कर
dignity of
सकते हैं.
labor.
हाँ. So bringing back the discussion to a bit a medical point of view. Now, all of us at some stage might have wished that we don't age. We become immortal. We remain young. We look young. Our skin should remain tight. Our organs should stay vital and healthy throughout. I mean, as long as it's possible. But with the society, with science, with the personal experience, we have come to know that that's not possible. And with different countries, we have set up different cutoff, life expectancy. So that we have discussed earlier. Also, India mein life expectancy is between 68 to 72. Males का कम, female का ज़्यादा. Western countries में चले जाएंगे तो 80 तक हो गया अभी life expectancy. But for many people, this might not be enough. They might want to live more than that, and most of us do, of course. And when we say living long, we also want to live healthy and able to not depend on other people for our own basic needs. So अच्छे से रहें, लंबा जिए और बिना किसी की जरूरत किसी पे डिपेंडेंट होके जिए. But this is not possible medically, right? So we all know it is not possible, but why it is not possible, that's what we'll discuss in 5 minutes. Because our body is programmed to die. Our cells are programmed to death. That's how we born, and that's how our genetics are. So many studies have been done on this in this sector, that how do we age, हम बूढ़े क्यों होते हैं और अल्टीमेटली हमारे सेल मर क्यों जाते हैं. बिकॉज आवर बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ सेल. हमारे एक एक करके सेल मर गए तो वो ऑर्गन खत्म हो गया, पूरे सेल मर गए तो पूरी बॉडी खत्म हो गई. तो ऐसा होता क्यों है? सो आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन यू with as simple explanation as I can. So we all know that we are made up of DNA and chromosome. Chromosome is the one that decides how we are gonna grow up, how tall we are going to be, how fair we are going to be, or not fair we are going to be, कितने कैसे बात करेंगे, कैसे दिखेंगे, कैसा अपीयरेंस होगा, क्या करेंगे लाइफ में. It's all been pre-decided in our chromosomes. And these chromosomes we inherit from our parents, and they inherit from their parents, and so on. And if we look at a chromosomal level of aging, so our chromosome, all our cells in body keep on dividing and repairing themselves. So एक सेल से दो बनते हैं, देन दो फिर वो एज एक सर्टन टाइम के बाद फिर से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं, फिर दो में बनते हैं, फिर से डिवाइड हो जाते हैं, फिर ऐसे पूरा साइकिल चलता रहता है. And when we look at a chromosomal level, so it has been the study says that our chromosomes have this data that they divide up to 50 times. So once after the 50th divisions, they lose their ability to divide again. So as long as my cells are dividing, multiplying, I'll be living, I'll be my organs will be functioning very well, right? We all know that we shed cells, है ना. हमारा स्किन है, इसका एक लाइफ लाइन है. कुछ दिन के बाद ऊपर का स्किन झड़ जाएगा, नीचे से नया स्किन आ जाएगा, एंड दैट्स हाउ द साइकिल ग्रोज. So similarly, chromosomal level पे भी ये होता है. So after the 50th division, then further divisions doesn't happen, and that is the time when we expire. So this study is done on chromosomal level, DNA level, genetic level, which says that after 50th division, the morphology of those chromosomes becomes small and small and small, and the factors, the receptors that are responsible for divisions, uh, they becomes lesser and lesser. So ultimately, the division doesn't happen. So that is happening inside our body, and after certain point, after that 50th division, will expire. So that is how our genetics are made of. That's why we say that we are born to die. So since the day we are born, our division and multiplication in cellular level starts happening, and after some time, when they finish their quota of division and multiplication, then they expire. So there are now the question was, if we know that after 50 division will expire, why don't we have done some research or some intervention that could prolong that? So if I prolong the process of division and multiplication, I can live longer. So when these studies were going I mean this has happened long time back. It's not a recent study. It's happened a couple of decades before only. So the scientists give us a example of certain cells that keep on dividing and multiplying beyond certain levels, and that's how cancer gets formed in our body, right? So the cancer cell, they don't have endpoint. They starts growing beyond the range or beyond level they need to grow, and then keep on growing, multiplying, and eventually causing problem for us. So the scientists, as of now, this study has been halted at that stage of the study, where they need to come up with certain interventions that if they enhance the multiplication division, it should not turn out into cancer. So until and unless I found cure or a step that can halt the cancer formation, उससे पहले तो हमारा ये लॉन्गर लिविंग वाला जो साइंस है वो काम नहीं आ सकती. सो दैट इज वाई अभी तक इतना साइंटिफिक एडवांसमेंट होने के बाद भी our life expectancy is not beyond 100, right? So no country as a whole has life expectancy of more than 100, and that is actually a very very funny, because so much of science has advanced, so much of interventions has come, and still we are not able to live longer, and that is the one reason that's happening. So now we know that there are divisions happening in our body, and that is causing our cells to lose their functionality and also their power. So I'm not very strong as I used to be 20 years back, because now my cells itne divide ho gaye hain, itne multiply ho gaye hain, and they don't have the track of uh, 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 to have that extra capabilities to look good. Now they are only focusing on maintaining the basic needs of that body, right? So earlier, I could my lungs were so capable, so young at the early stage of division and multiplication, that I could run 10 kilometers, and my cells will still support. Okay, आप कर लो, we'll take care of it, we'll repair ourselves. जितने destroy होंगे हम repair कर लेंगे. But now I'm at a stage where my cells capability is so limited that they don't allow us to run 10 kilometers, because they want to preserve the basic functioning of respiration. But this is not true for everyone. So there is a catch
No
wherein
sound.
they can enhance it. Can you hear me, sir?
Now, yes.
Yeah, sorry. मेरा इंटरनेट बीच बीच में अनस्टेबल हो जाता है. So wherein they can enhance the capabilities of these cells, and the tools for that are very simple, are there. I'll just share with you how to do it. So this we already discussed what happens, we all know. The tools for that in present, in today's world when the life is so fast paced, people are so busy, there are lesser and lesser people in a family to take care of you, compared to the 40 years back scenario, where at least families were living in a joint sort of arrangement. uh, बच्चे होते थे, उनके बच्चे होते थे, elders were taken care very nicely. But nowadays when we are in a nuclear family, बच्चे and mostly people have corporate jobs, government jobs that require more of attention than earlier. So we are spending more our time with our spouse, wife or husband, or alone. So that is again a reason for not taking care of ourselves, which are multiplying and dividing. So what are the tools that I can help myself with? Number one, I'm not going to talk about medical issues. We have spoken in depth in previous sessions about medical issues, how to take care of independent issue. We have spoken about in individual issues as well. Now we're going to discuss about social activity. As much as it is important to take care of your diabetes and BP, it is also very important for you to stay social. So if I'm not socially active and I'm not maintaining my social obligations, per se, for your body, my brain is slowly, gradually going to lose its functionality. My brain is not going to be very sharp then. I need to sharpen my skills, because पहले मैं जॉब कर रहा था, मेरा ब्रेन बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ हो रहा था, बहुत अच्छे से इस्तेमाल हो रहा था. अब मेरे पास जॉब नहीं है वो वाली जिसमें ज़्यादा मेंटल एक्टिविटी चाहिए. So I now have to compensate it with social activity. So social activity, games, बोर्ड गेम्स, दोस्तों के साथ बात करना, दोस्तों के साथ बैठ के ड्रिंक लेना कभी कभार, चर्चा करना, पॉलिटिक्स डिस्कस करना, अपने जो करियर में हमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, जो इतना एक्सपीरियंस समेट के रखा है, उसको पास ऑन करना. गवर्नमेंट ने रिटायर करके बिठा दिया, लेकिन वो एक्सपीरियंस तो आपके पास है, दैट डजंट गेट पास्ड ऑन नाउ. And you will find very few people who are interested in taking your experience in particular field, because people don't have time now. So it's very important that you find relevant people with whom you can speak about your life experiences, and you do it on more regular basis, right? So social activity. And this is I mean, if I just have to compare that, how many tools we have, a lot of tools now, is on the tool. So you can use for that purpose. Then comes the diet. So I feel very privileged now that I'm part of such organization where diet is very important aspect. And I'm sure most of you know, might be feeling कि इतना डाइट बोलते रहते हैं, इतना डाइट करते रहते हैं, that you know more than enough, and अभी और सुनने की जरूरत नहीं है. But the idea is to keep telling you so that a way of reinforcement is there. So diet plays very important. Genes. Now you'll say that this is something which is not in my hand. My genes is what I have inherited from parents. But the idea is to make your gene much better than my previous genes. So मुझे तो मिल गया जो मिलना था, but now what is that I am going to pass on? So my genes, I have to better my genes now. So the onus is now on me to make it much better. My parents have done their part, my grandparents have done their part. Now it is my time to do it. So actually आपने देखा होगा आजकल के दौर में कि अगर मेल की हाइट, फादर की हाइट 5'8" है, मदर की हाइट 5'6" है, तो बच्चे नाउ डेज 5'9" 6" उनकी हाइट कम नहीं होती, वो ज्यादा ही होती है. क्योंकि अभी एक तो जेनेटिक्स बेटर होते जा रहे हैं जनरेशन बाय जनरेशन, एंड दूसरा न्यूट्रिशन बेटर होती जा रही है. वी आर नाउ एबल टू टेक केयर ऑफ आवर चिल्ड्रन मच इन ए मच कन्वीनियंट वे एंड मच न्यूट्रिशियस वे. सो उनका हाइट बढ़ता जा रहा है. तो जनरेशन टू जनरेशन, स्पेशली इन इंडिया में, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज, इन इंडिया में द जेनेटिक पूल इज बिकमिंग बेटर. So that is a fact. Then Exercise again. Exercise is, all of you know very well कि exercise का क्या क्या role है क्या नहीं. And productive pursuits. So this is one point where I think most of us, I don't know how much is true, but in my sense, this is where we are lacking. So we don't have any productive pursuits now. We don't follow anything right now. Like rightly we discussed, there should not be a competition. We should be content. We should be, know that what we can achieve, what we cannot achieve. But then after certain age, 60 years के बाद मैं कुछ कर ही नहीं रहा हूँ in terms of those. I have my sustain income. मेरे को income आ रही है, pension आ रही है. I have achieved enough that I don't need to, grow my income now. But mm, this is not to grow your income, but this is to keep you engaged. And productivity level की एक activity होना बहुत जरूरी है, especially at this age, to keep your cognitive skills alive, or else you lose your cognitive skills. Then mindless memory loss होना शुरू हो जाता है, चीजें भूलना शुरू हो जाती हैं, forgetfulness आना शुरू हो जाती है, and ultimately you end up having dementia, Alzheimer disease, ये सारी psychological brain related problems. So we need to have certain projects going on throughout our life, which involves certain mental skills, so that we remain healthy at this level also. So heart का तो सब 30 मिनट वॉक करके आ जाएंगे, उनका दिल हेल्दी है, लंग्स हेल्दी हैं, एक्सरसाइज कर लेंगे, जिम में जा लेंगे, तो अपनी बॉडी हेल्दी है. बट व्हाट अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ? So mental health, आप you'll say that you'll be taking care of your family के इतने issues हैं, बच्चों के इतने issues हैं, they other every day or alternate day they'll come up with some issues that you have to solve and all, but that's not enough. So find a productive pursuit. All of you must come up with some plan for next 5 years, and or maybe for a year or 2 year, that would require your cognitive skills, that would require your professional experience that you have, and also that would require your social contacts. आपसे ज्यादा सोशल कांटेक्ट किसके होंगे? मेरे तो नहीं है, इस उम्र में आपसे ज्यादा तो नहीं होंगे कम से कम. तो how are we utilizing those social contacts? It may not be for your own benefit, but maybe for society benefit. Use it. This is the right time. I'm sure you guys are doing already. So these are the things that we have to put our efforts in. And just quickly, I'll just go this slide also. So this is a very easily available slide article on the web. I wanted to discuss. It's easy and also very, very important. 10 tips for healthy aging. It might sound cliche to you now after so many of lectures on More TV, but it still is very relevant and should be discussed every time whenever you have opportunity to discuss it. So what are 10 tips for healthy living? Number 1, live an active life. That is very, very obvious. Active hona hai mere ko physically, be it for my work or be it for just leisure and pleasure. I need to be active. And activity does not have to be monotonous. हर दिन सुबह वॉक ही नहीं करनी है, सैर नहीं करनी है, म्यूजिक लगा के डांस भी कर सकते हैं. किसी को साथ में रख के, जैसे कर्नलपुरी कभी एक आधी ड्रिंक होती है तो उसके बाद 15 मिनट का डांस भी होना चाहिए. And that will compensate that extra calorie. So physical activity, whenever we talk to elders or anybody, physical activity नाम लेते ही एक नेगेटिव सी दिमाग में आ जाती है. अच्छा, मुझे एक्सरसाइज करनी है, मुझे वॉक करनी है, मुझे वेट उठाना है. नो, फिजिकल एक्टिविटी आप फन वे में भी कर सकते हैं, राइट? डांस इज नॉट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू यंगर वंस ओनली. आपने तो इतने हीरोज को देखा है, इतने कलाकारों को देखा है, एक एक स्टेप सबका होना ही चाहिए. एंड इफ नॉट एवरी डे, आई थिंक हफ्ते में 2-3 बार तो होना ही चाहिए. देन एक्टिवली स्टे एक्टिव, ईट हेल्दी फूड्स. नो अल्टरनेट फॉर दिस थिंग. सो आपकी बॉडी 20% फिजिकल एक्टिविटी से ठीक रहेगी और 80% आप जो खा रहे हैं उससे मेंटेन रहेगी. तो आपको हेल्दी फूड चॉइसेस करनी ही है. हेल्दी फूड चॉइसेस आपको हर दिन हम तो उठा उठा के फेंक रहे हैं, 2-2 सेशंस हो रहे हैं, कभी शाम में कभी सुबह डाइटिशियन के. तो आई एम श्योर इफ यू टेक 50% फ्रॉम दोज सेशंस आल्सो, your diet is going to be on point. Number 3, maintain your brain. These sessions could be useless until and unless we discuss what's being told in these sessions. So अगर मैं सिर्फ सुनता रहूंगा, it's just another activity where I am not involving my brain too much. But if I'll cross question or discuss or share or put an opinion, that is how your brain activates कि हाँ ये बात पे ये बात करनी है और ये बात उससे गेन करनी है और ये बात नहीं गेन करनी है, फिजूल बोल रहा है इसको छोड़ दो. तो मेंटेन योर ब्रेन एक्टिविटी. इससे पहले जो हमने डिस्कस करा प्रोडक्टिव परस्यूट्स, उसमें प्लीज टेक अप अ चैलेंज, प्लीज टेक अप अ प्रोजेक्ट एंड शेयर दैट प्रोजेक्ट विद ऑल ऑफ अस सो दैट वी कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दिस. सो प्रोजेक्ट रखिए. सुरेंद्र जी का तो प्रोजेक्ट है ही, कोरोना के बाद घर रेनोवेट करना है. लेट अस नो हाउ इट गोज, लेट अस नो हाउ मच प्रोफेशनल हेल्प यू टुक टेक, लेट अस नो हाउ मच यू योरसेल्फ कंट्रीब्यूटेड इन इट. डिजाइन कैसे किया, कलर कॉम्बिनेशन कैसे किया, क्या कलर अच्छा लगा आपको, कैसे मिला, कैसे अचीव किया. तो प्लीज लेट अस नो पोस्ट दैट प्रोजेक्ट. कल्टिवेट योर रिलेशनशिप. नाउ this could be very intimate thing to ask, but those who are single, how many you have girlfriends or boyfriends? So even if you don't want to share, just to discuss it, it is very, very important. It is very, very important. Indian society will not, we don't discuss it too much. You go to US, UK, people are dating at the age of 80 also. So dating is inherent part of our beingness. We are animals, social animals. If there's the only difference between other animals and humans is conscious, being conscious, and rest all our demands, all our life, we live to like the other animals live to reproduce. We live to be in a relationship, if not reproduce all the time. Thankfully we know when to stop, but we definitely need companionship. So I know it's a very, very touchy point. It's a very private, intimate thing. But if I am going to date throughout my life, if I am lucky to date my wife throughout my life, that's fine. Otherwise, given the facts that one of us will leave early, if not at the same time, if I'm there to live, I'll date. That I'll date throughout my life. So make relationships. Dating, here I specifically said dating. I know there are n number of relationships in your life. You have your daughters, son, children and all that, but nobody talk about companionship. That is very, very important. Get enough sleep. Again, this is very important topics. Without sleep we will have multiple disorders, especially cognitive disorders. तो रेस्ट जरूर करिए, सोइए जरूर. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक उम्र के बाद नींद नहीं आती है, ऐसा नहीं है. नींद आएगी. अगर नहीं आ रही है तो टेक हेल्प, टेक मेडिकल हेल्प, बट स्लीप. Reduce stress. I'm not going to discuss this. You guys know better how to reduce stress. Practice prevention. Yeah, this is very, very important. This is no medical side hai. Prevention is very, very much required, especially the type of infections nowadays are there. तो ये सारे वैक्सीनेशन जो होती हैं टाइम टू टाइम, मीट योर फैमिली फिजिशियन, मीट योर local doctor, whoever you know go and see. Get yourself vaccinated every year. Get yourself vaccinated. Take charge of health. Don't rely on your kids. Don't rely on your friends. Don't rely on your doctor to come and tell you. You take care of your health. You take charge of your health. You proactively go and assume stuff that might happen to you and take care of it before it starts. Community connections like this, it's very, very important. I'm sure you have other ways to connect also. अपनी सोसाइटी में या अपनी सोसाइटी के बाहर या अपने प्रोफेशन में या अपने पुराने बैचमेट्स के साथ. Keep your relationships alive. Please be in touch with them regularly. And the point number 10 is complete your advance directive. I don't know much how what it means. Let me just go through it.
Make a will.
Yes, rightly
Yes,
said.
absolutely. Make a will. That's what it means.
Yeah. So make your will, make do what you wish that should happen to your assets and your family members. You must take care of when you are in your senses, when your cognitive brain is active, when your social senses are active, and when you can do it as soon as possible. So these are the 10 points which are very very relevant to live healthy. I don't say aging has a very social meaning, so which all of you will disagree. So nobody like to consider themselves a brid buzurg elder. All of us are young at heart, and even though if we don't look at it, the others don't look at the way we look at it in the mirror, that should not bother us. So I'm sure Colonel Puri जब अपने आप को सुबह देखते हैं शीशे में, तो he still have that look in his mind. So
Thank you, sir.
this is about the session. Now let's discuss. You
Siddharth,
open
yeah.
up. Yes, yes, sir.
Siddharth, yeah.
Yes.
Avinash again.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm taking the stage more often.
No, sir. Please.
One, जब आपने कहा your relationship
Yes.
doesn't need to be a bachelor.
Yeah.
I have more lady friends than men friends.
Yeah.
And that could be a very healthy relationship.
Yes. Yes.
मैं आपको बताऊं, last year there was a competition in Tollygunge Club known as the Tollython. इसमें हमको एक हर्डल क्रॉस करना था, एक नेट पे चढ़ना था 20 फीट का, ड्रम के अंदर से निकलना था और दौड़ के 6 लेग स्विमिंग करना था. I competed with people 60 plus जो था, and I was 77 last year, and I got the second prize. Now there were
Nice.
more ladies to compliment me, and that adds for your youth. The second is to keeping your, if I don't keep my mind active, then वो आपने कहा कि हम भूल जाएंगे, ये करेंगे. So learning something new is extremely good. And what you said is plan. And last but not the least, sir, if I do something for you and you do it in return, then that becomes a business. At my stage of life, I like to do good things for other people without anything in return. Just blessings and feeling happy if you can do something. And if God has given you that opportunity, that you know so many people in the country who are very close to you. So if you've had a good checkered career, keep your contacts. मैं आपसे शेयर करूंगा my schoolmates, जिनके साथ मैं स्कूल में पढ़ा हूँ इलाहाबाद में from 1949. We are on the WhatsApp group and we share everything. The majority of them are in Delhi. So एक aspiration, it's not competition against yourself. I want to do something better than tomorrow. So that's what keeps you awake. And आपके जो sessions हैं wonderful.
Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing.
आपको without taking anyone's time, आपने एक इतना अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर किया है in this group में कि आपने जो अच्छी चीजें कही हैं कि दूसरे को अच्छाई करो, help other people. तो मैं आपको बताऊं, मैं खिड़की से देख रहा था, एक सब्जी ठेले वाला सब्जी बेचने आया घर के सामने. तो किसी ने कहा, यार वो बेचारा गरीब बेच के पैसा कमा रहा है, let him have a nice time. तो मैंने उससे कहा कि भाई तुम आके मेरे कमरे में बैठ जाओ, एसी भी चल रहा है, टीवी भी चल रहा है, और देखो चाय वाय पियो, मैं तुम्हारी सब्जी बेच देता हूँ और आके फिर पैसा दे दूंगा कि आई कैन डू समथिंग गुड. कहता सर मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ, मैंने भी अपना ठेला एक सब्जी वाले को दिया. थैंक यू सिद्धार्थ.
Sorry, मेरा बीच में कनेक्शन चला गया. I lost the joke.
Lovely.
Right, sir. So very nicely you said that lady friends important. You don't have to date them, but
Yeah, absolutely.
But you should be in touch with the opposite sex at all stages of your life, because
इसी
they,
मारे सिद्धार्थ मुझे अविनाश बुलाया करिए, मिस्टर की जरूरत नहीं है, प्लीज. आई लव इट.
right. So that's very very important. I'm very glad, and you have such a personality. I'm sure ladies are always attracted to yours. Yeah, that's there. Yes, Teji,
हाँ जी सर.
आप कुछ कह रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैंने कुछ नहीं कहा.
अच्छा. How, ma'am कैसे हैं? How is she?
She is not strong today.
Oh, okay. Okay, then I'll call you later in the day. Check on her.
Right.
Yes. Great. So anything you want to add, Surinder ji, anybody else?
मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम लोग कभी कभी मायूस होते हैं, कुछ सोचते हैं ना, तो एक चीज याद रखनी चाहिए, लाइफ में कई चीजें अच्छी हो चुकी होती हैं, आपने कुछ अच्छा काम किया होता है, आपके साथ किसी ने अच्छा काम किया होता है, उनको रिकाउंट करना चाहिए. Instead of any failures, if something has happened in life, that should be forgotten. The things should be remembered and again revised in your mind whenever you feel a little down. तो उन चीजों को याद करना चाहिए, because you have many good friends in your life, you had some many good instances in your life. तो उनको याद करने से you feel better. So that will, I think, help in keeping us in good humor.
Yes, that definitely gives a positive feeling when we think of good things that has happened to us, and also motivates you in life.
Positive feeling and positive thoughts also should be there.
Yes. Yes.
If we have the positive thoughts, I think the positive feeling will be there. Probably the health will also be a good one.
Right. So are you going to make projects, future projects for next year, 6 months, 2 years, 5 years? And please be very professional. I'm sure you already have many projects running.
डॉक्टर ऐसे करो, डॉक्टर ऐसे करो, इमोहा को फर्दर इम्प्रूव करने के लिए यही प्रोजेक्ट दे दो सबको.
हाँ, प्लीज प्लीज.
मेरे
तो सीईओ खुश हो जाएंगे.
इमोहा की थोड़ी इमेज और ऊपर करा देते हैं.
Sir, please, if you can, definitely. Word of mouth is very very important.
It helps.
And especially with your contacts, it gives a very positive. If you give a positive feedback, it matters a lot to Imoha, to me, to Somejit. And
Have to pay back what we have learned. We have to do this, and I'm very keen to do it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
एक चीज और कहना था
जी
कि
सर.
अगर थोड़ा सा और हो ना, तो अविनाश जी का नाम ले लीजिए. उनका नाम लेना ही अविनाश, जिसका विनाश नहीं हो सकता है.
सुरेंद्र भाई, थैंक यू. आप और कर्नल पुरी तो मेरी लाइफ में ही आप. सुरेंद्र भाई, जाते जाते आपकी आईआईटी खड़गपुर की एक चीज सुना देता हूँ.
हाँ जी, जरूर.
मैं सर आईआईटी खड़गपुर गया. वैसे 65-66 बैच के मेरे जो दोस्त हैं वहाँ, तो मैं लार्सन ट्यूब्रो की तरफ से इंटरव्यू लेने गया. तो मैंने एक लड़के से बोला कि मैं तुमसे क्या पूछूं, तुम तो आईआईटी खड़गपुर का एडमिशन ही के मतलब तुम बहुत ब्राइट हो, तो टेक्निकली तो तुम बड़े साउंड हो, बट व्हाट इज योर फैमिली बैकग्राउंड? कहता, सर आई कम फ्रॉम अ वेरी गुड फैमिली. आई सर, आपके फादर क्या करते हैं? कहता, सर ही इज इन द आयरन एंड स्टील इंडस्ट्री. आई सर, अच्छा, डज ही वर्क फॉर अ स्टील प्लांट? कहता, नो सर, ही आयरन्स ड्यूरिंग द डे एंड स्टील्स इन द नाइट.
Lovely, sir.
Good one, sir. Good one, Avinash.
आईआईटीएंस को बदनाम कर रहे हैं सर.
जी सर, आईआईटी वाले कमाल के.
Surinder ji, you are mechanical engineer, if I'm not wrong.
जी,
You're a mechanical engineer?
myself,
Yes.
I am mining engineer.
Oh, sorry.
सर, ये तो जमीन से गोल्ड निकालते हैं. माइनिंग इंजीनियर माने नीचे जाते हैं सर.
जी हाँ.
अंडरग्राउंड माइनिग, ओपन कास्ट माइनिंग, सब तो ये एक्सपर्ट हैं. मैं जानता
आगे
हूँ.
आगे बढ़ने के लिए पहले हमको नीचे उतरना पड़ता था.
बिल्कुल, एब्सोल्युटली.
वाह, क्या बात है. राइट. सो थैंक यू ऑल फॉर आज का जो सेशन था वो डिस्कशन ज्यादा था देन मेडिकल डिस्कशन. So I enjoyed it a lot. I learned a lot today. So for me it was a very very good session.
It was a wonderful session.
I want to prepare myself now since I have wonderful company of all you elders. and such zinda dil log. I don't have, unfortunately, my Nana Nani Dada they are expired long back, so I don't have that company with me back home. So, but now you guys are like those
अरे
figures for
साहब,
me
नाना
is
नानी
also
नहीं,
friend.
दादा दादी नहीं, अंकल बोलिए, हम लोग अंकल से ऊपर अभी नहीं गए।
Yes, of course. मैं तो बोल ही रहा हूँ आप लोग मेरे से ज्यादा जिंदा दिल है और very very fortunate to know you all. Let's maintain a long relationship, sir.
बात वही है ना कि कोई आपसे उम्र पूछे तो क्या है, तो एक लेडी ने मुझसे पूछा कि व्हाट इज योर एज, मैंने कहा यू टेल मी योर्स, आई विल एडजस्ट माइन अकॉर्डिंगली।
Good.
Nice. Right, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Carry on. Please have a good day. Keep smiling. Bye.
Thanks. God bless you, sir.